What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. I'm making a video today in reference to a problem that we've been discussing on the forums for quite a while. That's the BCMs getting wet on windshields and such. So I've been working on something for quite a while. I didn't want to introduce it into the market kind of sloppily. I wanted to make it a great product for everyone, and it's going to cover several bases at the same time. Not only coverage, but you'll understand once I write it down here. Okay, on some of the vehicles, you know, on the dash and stuff like that, this is a windshield and such like that, and the dash and whatever. Some of the things that people have been asking me is like, Mike, I don't want to be buying these rectangular towels to cover the dash. If you are able to make something that has you know, a curve that will accommodate great for better coverage, because a lot of people are talking about Dodge Rams BCMs getting wet and all kinds of those kind of problems, and I do understand you, and we talk about water control and all this kind of stuff. Additionally, there are some cars that have very tight seals, okay, on the windshield, right? So a lot of people say that stuffing a rope is not doable on some of the cars. So I've developed something for you guys, not only for the problems of the Rams and BCMs, but the tight seals. And I'm going to show you right here in the back. I have developed a towel that is exactly like that, that is cut to my specs, and it looks like that. So let me go to the back and show you what's going on with that. Actually, I have a Dodge Ram windshield that I'm going to be working on, and I've been using the prototype for a while, but now I actually have this developed, and it's a very good product, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So let's say on these type of vehicles that, there it is. There is a cut that I mentioned to you. I did use larger pickups for my style of the design, so you have pretty much the coverage that is not sloppy or open and such, you know, because a triangle is, there's a lot of stuff that is forest and stuff that is not covered well. So there it is. This is the way it's going to be looking. I'm not going to brand them yet, because my initial big batch I'm going to sell at a good price, because when I start branding, it's going to cost me more per unit. So I will want you guys to take advantage of using these to cover that. And the sedans and vehicles that we said they're too tight to accept the rope, you don't have to worry about that anymore, because this one, because it is cut at an angle, you can stuff more of this nice terry in there. You can stuff it and it'll suffice as far as water coverage, seeping the water away from any interior electronic components. So let me do something real quick. Okay, all right. If you already placed this in its proper position, because this one has a good sized cavity, then the next step would obviously be doing this and have your real nice coverage. And there it is. Okay, this type of material, I asked them to develop it for me, because there is some other stuff, yucky stuff, and I'm going to show you right now, that I totally hate. I use these for other reasons. These ones right here, I use these to wipe cars on the outside, and this is Costco stuff. Everybody knows what it is. You put it against this one and you can see the bushiness, and this stuff is very linty. This is very controlled, very flat. So I'm very proud of this type of material that is not like this. So special cut vehicles that have very tight seals, you can do it by itself, get away from the problem of having to not put a rope because it's too tight. And the ones that have a larger cavity, you want to set this up first, and then you can go ahead and set this up second, and you have 100% water coverage. Control your water, and you will have no problems with no BCMs on this car or any other car. That's it, guys. They're going to be available in the Dirty store in a little bit. And when I get them, the rest of the big bunch in, I might brand them, depends on whatever the public wants, and they cost a little bit more. So but initial batch is going to be a great price. Special cut, very large. For this is a very large vehicle, so all the other sedans, they're going to be more than ample room as far as the sizing goes. Okay, you guys have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.